Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be opening something so you can get a secret one. So it's Super Tuesday Dumpling Surprise or something. Then you find the gold mystery dumpling. So the colors are like silver, bronze, purple. Yeah, not things together. Then we can get definition. We have pink, green, and blue. And of course, green. So let's take this off, and I'll be back when I take this off. And I'm gonna take off this off. Comment down below which colors you think you need to get. Don't forget these are the colors. Yes. You guys look first. 3, 2, 1. What's blue? What did I turn? So if you comment down below,